Hi guys, this is Vivo X90 Pro and it has 1-inch camera sensor. That means it could be one of most impressive camera smartphone. Let's begin with the unboxing. Just after unboxing, you will find smartphone keep aside for a while. Then there is IME number and a average quality transparent TPU case, and with that you will find some document. Then there is one USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and in another box you will find one big 120 watt USB Type-C charger. Now let's talk about smartphone, but before that don't forget to press the subscribe button. Smartphone first look is very impressive. The leather back makes the phone very grippy and this will make you more confident in using it without even a case. At bottom you will find Vivo branding and above it there is one aluminium stripe. On it Extreme Imagination is written and above it you will find one camera module, and this camera module is having Zeiss lens coating, and the right side you will find Zeiss branding as well. This is actually optics company that makes lenses, and above this logo there is one big flashlight. Now let's talk about ports and button. At bottom you will find SIM tray, mic, USB Type-C port and one speaker grill as well. And on right side there is one power button and volume rocker as well, and from side you can easily see camera bump as well. It is 5mm camera bump, and Vivo is more concerned about the camera. You can see professional photography is written at the top of the panel, and on the left side you will not find anything. Overall design is very good. You will also find IP68 dust and water resistance as well, but weight and thickness I think little bit high. Now we are going to discuss Vivo X90 Pro display. Here you will find 6.7 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED panel. With that here is 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus support as well. Here is 1300 nits peak brightness. That means you can easily use your smartphone outdoor as well, and display bezels are also very less. You will find 90% screen to body ratio. That is very good. So overall display is very good, but here you will find simple AMOLED panel, but in mostly flagship smartphone there is LTP AMOLED panel, and with that you will not find any Gorilla Glass protection as well. So I think this is too weak point of display as well. Now let's talk about Vivo X90 Pro performance. Here you will find Android 13 and Funtouch 13 out of the box. With that you will find MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset that is based on 4nm technology and octa-core 3.0 GHz clock speed and G715 graphics for gaming as well. The overall performance is very good. You will also find UFS 4.0 memory type as well, but this chipset benchmark is little bit lower than Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. In this price range you can buy Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset smartphone as well. We are going to talk about it at the end of the video. Now let's talk about smartphone camera, on which Vivo has most focus as well. At back you will find 50 megapixel primary camera in which Sony IMX989 1-inch sensor is used. With that you will find 50 megapixel telephoto lens and 12 megapixel ultra wide as well. By photography Vivo will not disappoint you. Photo taken on Vivo X90 Pro have a play and nature look about them with a more decent HDR effect as well, and this 1-inch camera sensor make these photos very good. Even in the low light and very dark situation you will find very good images as well. With this camera you can do only 4K video recording on 24 FPS. For 60 FPS you have to shift on 4K. So overall camera you can say it is value for money. Now let's talk about Vivo X90 Pro battery. Here you will find 4800 mAh battery. With that 120 watt fast charging support that will charge your smartphone just in 15 minutes, and 50 watt wireless charging support as well. If we conclude everything, the Vivo X90 Pro is an impressive phone in every regard. It has lovely design, fantastic performance and one of the most impressive camera as well, but it has a lot of amount of bloatware as well. In this price range you can check out OnePlus 11 as well, that is giving you Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and iQOO 11 Pro as well, that is giving you good AMOLED panel. So if you like this video don't forget to press the like button and subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.